Today I am going to be attempting to redesign your Roblox UI designs, and hopefully I can offer some feedback and perhaps some tips on how to improve. So I hope you guys are ready. Alright guys, so here we are inside of the gfxcomet Discord server. We are in the UI section and we're going to check out some of your work, and we're also going to be trying to redesign some stuff as well. We have from Valley, or Volley. This looks pretty cool. This is like a shop inventory. Right here we have a cool health bar, mana. I think red is the health, blue is the mana, and green might be the like a energy or like EXP. This is pretty cool. We have a car dealership UI right here. I like this minimal dark style. Okay, so right here we have a cartoony style UI. There can be a bunch of improvements that you can make to this kind of style. Check out gfxcomet.com for the best design templates for Roblox. You can grab our starter pack for free, which will give you all of our free assets and templates inside of one single bundle right here. And if you click on get all templates, this will take you to our unlimited access. You can get up to $323 of value for only $99 right now. And thank you once again for all of your support, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so here we are. We can start with a basic frame rectangle. Increase the corner radius like so, and we will have something like this, as you can see. Alright, next we can copy and turn off fill. Let's go for a stroke, like increase the thickness, resize, and we're gonna go for this kind of ring effect, if you will. Lower the radius like so. Right here we can go for the second effect, as you can see. I think like 5. No, let's go for 7. Alright, looks pretty good. I'm gonna go for inside right here. Let's change the color. Alright, now let's go for a stroke for our main frame right here. So increase the value here. I'm gonna go for a blue color like so. This looks pretty good. I'm gonna go for 5, I think. You can also go for another stroke or drop shadow. Increase the spread size 10, I would say, or actually more. Let's go for like 12. Right, that's pretty good. Actually, let me try a dark blue color. This might look more pleasing, at least I think so. Alright, so next let's go for our title text. I'm gonna use the font for Doka, which I think is the same font here. Let's type out store, increase the size. As you can see, I'm going to add a stroke and copy the same outline color right here. Let's increase the size, as you can see, and I'm going to use this icon from our vector icon pack, which you can also grab at our store. Resize, place it right here. Adjust our text. I'm going to apply the same stroke. So right click, copy, right click, paste layer style, like so. Looking pretty good so far. Alright guys, on to the close button. I'm gonna go for our rectangle. Nice shape right here. Lower the corner radius. Let's go change the color like so. I'm gonna go in here, inner shadow. As you can see, increase the size as well. with like 4. Lower the opacity. We're gonna go for a stroke. And we're gonna go for a darker shade like this. As you can see. We hit OK. Place resize like this. I'm gonna copy the store text. We go for X. Like so. I'm gonna copy layer cell and paste here. And as you can see, this is looking nice. Next, we're gonna make these panels right here. So, new layer. We go for a nice shape like this right here. We gotta make sure we can have 4. So, let's copy and test this out. Alright, so we gotta resize these so it fills the space. Well, we got text right here, so I guess resize like so. Okay. Now for the first one, we go for a green, nice and bright. As you can see, I'm gonna go for a stroke as well. Dark shade like that. We can add a layer. Right click, mask. And I can paint something like this right here. Like that. Also add shadow down here. Let's go for soft light. As you can see, I'm gonna add our icon right here. I'm gonna copy our text. Copy layer style, paste so we have the same stroke color. 2x look for mine. Place it right here. I gotta lower the size right here to like 4, let's say, and I kind of want to increase the size here to 7. And then we can add a purchase button right over here. Let's go give this some color. We gotta change up the green here so it's not blending. Okay, this is cool. Let's go for a stroke as well. I'm going to group this up and copy across like so. And now we can take our rectangle, right click, convert to smart object, Control U, and we can adjust our color like so. Go for a nice pink. Same thing right here, smart object, and let's go for a blue. Okay, so right here, let's go for orange like so. And now, as you can see, here is our UI. This right here is the before, and here is the after. Take a look. Let me know what you guys think about this down below, if we have made an improvement upon this UI right here. Thank you for your posts as well. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think next time I'm going to shorten up the process, or at least make it a bit faster so we can get through a lot more UIs. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.